Hey, what's up? Good morning, everybody. How you doing? We are live. It's about 19 after here. Looks like we had a bit of a bullish end to the morning here from around 8 a.m. Found a little relative bottom there around 8 a.m. Hey, Skeletor, good morning. Good morning, Angia. How you guys doing? Hey, Twyla Caldwell. Good morning. How are you doing? So keep in mind, guys. We do have FOMC today, and also looks like Trump's talks at 9:30. Also, so just beware. Refresh my. Hey, Raphael. Good morning. Good morning. So I'm gonna have to update my VWAPs here real quick. Get rid of those standard deviations off my overnight VWAP. Hey, good morning.
Hey. What's shaking?
Oh, you know. We're back at it. Live on YouTube. The world is
live on the tube. You win anything?
Negative.
9.
Although we did
$160 loss in the pre-market.
Oh, shoot.
I'm still looking at yesterday's close as a target for NQ and ES.
We did pull back here and found a little bit of support on this current candle on the midnight VWAP. Gordon, take profit of 580 hit last night. Hooray. Nice. Yeah, very close, hey? Right to the, by like 3 points.
Oof. Did you have a good stream last night?
Yeah, pretty good.
Anything fun happened?
Just a whole bunch of joking around and whatnot. Crazy is I didn't I kept putting criteria on getting in on a trade, and it just never quite happened. But the price just kept going up and up and up and up.
Were you waiting for a pullback?
Yeah, exactly. I was waiting for the pullback to the VWAP. Then I was waiting for pullback to a fair value gap, and then it hit the upper fair value gap and not the lower fair value gap, and it's like,
oh, I hate it when that happens. It's like you can't jump in when it's just going like that, but it's not pulling back for you, and yeah.
And I mean, other people in the chat got in and made money, but I didn't seem to find any entries. So,
but that's your risk management, though. You don't want to jump in when it's at a high of day or something like that, unless you see that VWAP line turn into a skateboard ramp.
Yeah.
In which case, then you consider it. But all right, we got 5 minutes until the open.
Yeah, we're popping up above value area lows. There.
I'm still liking a short down to yesterday's close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Previous day's low? Well, it's pretty close to the close.
Yeah, it's about the same. Previous day low and yesterday's close are pretty close.
I was watching a 4-hour bearish fair value gap above. We did get into it pretty deep last night, though. 584. I was thinking we were going to get to like around 600, 620. So maybe that is out of there now. So we'll see. We'll see as the price action develops here for us.
See what this does. MNQs at what? 500? Oh, is he gonna push down? Gonna push down hard. You looking at the book map?
Yes, I have bookmap open. NQ. We have a little bit of orders above and below currently, and then but the majority of the orders are above. Not showing pretty dark below.
Yeah, unfortunately, my my book map reset and ended up putting on the M contracts instead of the U contracts.
Oh.
So I was looking at book map going, okay, great. So I got a price level here that looks like it's going to draw to. And then it just, really put a damper on my morning.
Yeah,
when I realized that it switched back to the M contracts on me, I changed it over. And luckily the levels were about the same, different prices, but same level, same direction.
Blackout news, you're screwing up your funded accounts in this chop. Yeah, it's one of the big tricks is going to be to learn to just try not to trade in the chop. I mean, we're leading up to FOMC, so I would expect today to be pretty choppy. I doubt we're going to get a clean trending day.
Oh yeah, today's
so.
Last FOMC, I ended up making like 18. So see if we can do that again.
Nice.
I had a couple of really good trades on the last FOMC day. But if this price action doesn't call for it, I'm not taking anything.
Gordon says 4:45 sweep at the bell.
Gordon's looking at 445.
Pretty high volume there on this candle here before the open.
And we still got 2 minutes.
Actually, I have to run to the bathroom real quick. I'm going to miss probably the first minute here, but that's okay.
Go for it. All right, we have 1 minute until the New York Open. Somebody ring a bell for me when it happens. And market's open. All right, I got my short in here with 2 micros and my break even +2, currently up about 90 bucks. Per account. I'm only trading, I think 9 accounts today. All right, well, that stopped me out. Made 27 whole dollars. On. Gordon Geckos at 4:45. Darren does things. Good morning. Zex. Am I saying that right? Zexy? Oh, you feeling Zexy? What's good? It's FOMC day, so there's nothing good. There's probably some volatility and today there's going to be a lot of people who oversize and blow accounts. I was looking at a 15-second chart this morning, so that was different. I am going to turn on my regular trading hours though, just to see what. All right, we got 3 minutes. We're on the 3-minute candle right now. Let me try that one more time. We're on the 3rd 1-minute candle right now. It closed green. It's the first one that's done that. I'm still thinking this gap is going to get filled, and I'm going to take a 1 micro short. And one of my orders got rejected. Interesting.
It's too early to say that you're rich, Gordon. I'm long biased, but I'll wait for a long entry after initial balance is complete. Gotcha.
Who's got a long bias over here?
Gordon said that.
Well, I'm hitting my break even +2 on my short. This is just a 1 micro trade.
Randy had a tilt.
Hey, look at that.
Yesterday.
What was that?
Randy had a tilt day yesterday.
No.
Yeah, I mean,
really
in his cash account too. So sounds like he took a 750 loser and then he went long and then he changed his bias, went short, then he went long, then he went short, then he went long, and then he ended up winning a trade at the end of the session. So that's not normal for him, right? Taking that many trades.
Yeah, no, that's not typical Randy behavior.
And flipping biases. At least I saw this on the social media. So.
Oh, no.
There you go, Skeletor saying all the right things. Took itself for a base hit. W, nice job, Twyla.
Very good.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, I think today is just going to be, I'm hoping multiple base hits. If I could get a runner, I'd take it, but I'm honestly not seeing that happening. We are below New York VWAP right now. Gap hasn't been filled yet. All right, I just put my next short in. A little bit of slippage on TradingView here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to get my short in right at VWAP, and for some reason it's showing that my short is entered at 443. Check my trader's post to see if that's accurate. Yeah, I think TradingView might be a little bit slow today. Luckily, I'm relatively close to break even now.
I did take a short scalp there in my 2 Apex and 1 Top 1 Futures account, but looks like I didn't log in my Apex account on Tradeovate, so I gotta go get in there and double check this. I accidentally logged into TPT in 2 accounts, so wow, what the heck? Yeah, I made $75 there in 3 accounts. Oh yeah, I gotta add those accounts also to my TradeZella. Look at that rip lower though. Man, I was a little aggressive on the stop loss there.
Decent move lower.
Yeah. Short off the V1 was definitely the way to go there, which is what I took.
Just added into my short. Come on, rip lower here. So I'm in total with 4 micros.
Nice.
Don't start playing with me now. Turn back around.
Go lower.
Low is the way to go.
Find a little support there at the 400s. 400s kind of looking like we had some support pre-market too at that level. So kind of going to be a bit of a telling level here if we're going to break below the 400s or not. Phew, you're down 150 blackout and now you're only down 4. Nice. Always good to get that back early. Got about a little less than 4 minutes for the opening range to be set here. See you, Skeletor.
Well, we're above the New York VWAP now.
Oh, oh.
Today may be the day that I don't place any more trades. I'm gonna take myself a little break. I just took my second loser of the day, so
Damn.
I'm still up a little bit.
Okay.
Up $64 for the day.
Okay, nice.
So, but unfortunately, I did take 2 losers today.
Mm-hmm.
So I may be locking myself out and just hanging out and playing with you for a while.
Nice.
I'll be back.
Okay. We got the direction sort of changing on us here. This is a pretty big, if this closes up here, guys, it's a bullish engulfing candle here. On the 5. Finding some resistance there at the midnight VWAP there, which is this orange line. Again, keep your mind on it, guys. We are coming up to FOMC, and you know when we have FOMC, price action tends to be pretty choppy, right? Leading up to it. Now we're getting really big moves, but if you're looking for the continuation of that short, I mean, you're going to get stopped out. And then now if you're, look at that pump all the way back up to the value area low, but if you're looking for, if you ended up taking a short on the VWAPs here or anything, you're like feeling some max pain already. What a freaking bar, guys. Look at that bar. You took a 5 micro long. Nice job, Angia. Yeah, it is, so many times I hold a runner and then I just end up getting to break even on that runner. But sometimes when this happens, wow, you can just like almost double your P&L by having one single runner left, right? What a pump. What a pump there. Approaching target. I'm rich. 2 for 2. Nice job, Gordon. Damn, buddy.
I see Gordon's rich again. All right.
This is a standard issue lately. Good for him.
YM is looking like a pretty strong player right now.
Oh, wow. Yeah, straight up. Wow. That's some green rocket juice right there. I was starting to feel the FOMO, like, oh, maybe I should take a long up here. And I'm like, no, don't do it. And then good thing I didn't. I just finished telling the chat, be careful, because FOMC's coming up. We're getting choppy here. And we might we're making big candle moves, but it might just reverse and go all the way back.
Yeah, this could turn around at, with a snap of a finger. Or a tweet, or Trump saying something weird in France. Does look like YM is trying to get to that all-time high again.
Oh yeah, Trump is supposed to be talking this morning. Oh, he is. Okay, let's see if he's live here. Trump holds meeting with India's Modi at the G7 summit. Oh, that was already passed?
Yes.
That was an hour ago. But I did hear that he's like talking or something at Market Open. I just don't see the video. And she is done for the day. Nice.
Bravo.
You don't need to take your third shower? No?
So is Trump speaking again, or is it...
Yeah, I heard he was speaking like at the hour here. Where did I see that? I thought I read that. Or somebody said that in Prop for Match or something. Not sure.
Oh, okay.
Someone's saying he hasn't started talking yet, though.
Oh, it was supposed to be like a half an hour ago, 40 minutes ago, that he was running his yap.
Yeah, 5:40. He was supposed to be talking with Moody. So I don't know if it's yeah. So maybe that's still gonna happen here. I remember last time when Mr. Mustang made 30K on FOMC. Yeah.
Yeah, that was a good day. I don't think that's going to happen today, though. So I have added into my YM position. I'm currently in with 6 contracts. Got my break even in.
Nice.
All right. All right, YM's getting a pullback here. Got a bunch of orders at 580. It's this patience thing that's hard for me here.
Yeah. I don't know if you know this, but before I turned on bar countdown on Trade of 8, but then you can also add a sound, and there's this little like popping sound every time there's about 30 seconds or whatever, 10 whatever you set it to before the man, that gets so annoying. So I ended up just right now I just like went through and turned them all off, and I'm like, hopefully I don't have to listen to that freaking noise anymore.
Got a clock on the bottom of my on my screen on my laptop. I don't need to have audio telling me when the when the candle is going to close.
And yeah, thinks bears are stronger than the bulls. Yeah, could quite possibly be here. But so far, I'm not loving the price action. Obviously, we're stuck in the range at the moment. We popped our head out of the top of the opening range high and then ripped right back down into the middle of the range here.
Meanwhile, I'm just scalping YM,
Nice.
taking $20 at a time. I literally have just been scalping it. I think I made so far 4 $27 trades.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm not willing to stay in anything for any length of time right now.
Yeah. Get that stop and profit ASAP.
Mm-hmm. Or at least a break even. And back into YM.
FN Trader says, FN Trades, is there a way to zoom out of the DOM in Tradeovate so that you can see a wider range of price levels? That I do not know.
I don't know.
Maybe if you had your Tradeovate on like a vertical stream or screen, you could probably stretch it really long. Or if you can, I wonder if you can change the text size. Maybe if it's a smaller text size, you can fit more on there.
Made $30 on that one.
Nice.
Well, this is just silliness on the YM right now.
All the way back down to the lows on NQ here.
Oh, my 1 micro NQ short still playing out.
Nice. Yeah, I really wanted to short it there at 460s, and then I was hesitant, and now it's like, what do I do? What do I do?
I only have 1 micro in, and I'm up $120 on that.
Wow. Yeah, I know, Angia. 4-hour candle in 3 minutes.
At the break even plus 10 hit.
For some reason, my one Apex PA is not syncing.
I just put in my break even plus 20.
Nice. Zach's so close to his TP right now.
Well, let's fill this gap. Probably should have stayed in from that short earlier, Nick. With the pre-market one? Oh, if I was in that one still, I'd be up a lot. A lot more than I am now. There we go. All right. Take 150 off of that one.
Nice. That was that one micro one.
Still liking shorts down to yesterday's close. We did just pass through a previous day's value area low on NQ though, so see what this candle does.
Yeah, this is the new 4-hour candle. If it continues, we've had two pretty bearish 4-hour candles in a row. And this one, last 4-hour candle closed with almost no wick. So
that's not a good sign for longs.
No.
Oil just hit $76.30.
Wow.
ES is looking pretty bearish on the 15.
Today, YM's not as crazy as NASDAQ. Yeah.
So YM all-time high, 52,255. And that's also the top of today's initial balance.
Gordon re-entered long at 319. Oh, long here, 319 stop.
YM's created a new all-time high. 266.
Whoa. Did you text Zach this morning?
Uh,
He just said, I just saw your text. If you're still watching. Pretty high volume on that last candle here, that last 5-minute candle.
So what do we got? Put in 2 micros on an NQ short. Break even in.
Nice. There you go.
Oh, stop me out.
I'll be right back. Sorry about that.
Don't be sorry. All right, NQ's coming back up toward VWAP. See if we get a rejection up here. We have 69 orders up at 550. Some buy volume balls coming on as well. Just make an adjustment here. None of them are huge though. All right, took my NQ short again when it passed through that -1 deviation band. Got my break even +2 in. All right, they took it. These single micro NQ trades are odd. Putting on a single micro, being able to pull a couple $100 out of it. Got my break even here. It did take out one of my contracts just a few seconds ago. Yep, and I'm out. Lost $25 on that scalp. I haven't really been looking for trading streams at all, especially during New York, because I'm too busy here with Dave. Gordon's looking at 493. I'm going to see what NQ does here with the VWAP. I'm going to switch back to YM for a minute.
Seems like we're a little bit range bound.
A little bit.
YM's
So
pulling back.
YM's pulled back off that new all-time high. It's down below the first deviation band now. Still looking pretty bullish on the 15.
Trump's talking right now. Trump Trump looking at sanctions on Russia. Great numbers in all categories for U.S. economy. Trump reiterates Hormuz is immediately opening after signing. Oil prices are tumbling down.
I think he sent a message to all his billionaire buddies just before he said that. Hey, short oil.
Right.
I am in a 4 micro YM long. Break even +2 has already been hit. All right. So I'm going to head upstairs here. I'll see you in a minute.
Nice. Sounds good. Took a little long scalp there. I just was starting to get a little concerned that we're not making a move higher here. Finding lots of resistance here up at the 470 area. So I took $33 in my 3 take profit trader accounts there. Small little base hit. Lafta says FOMC always fun at 2 p.m. EST. Yeah, right. I gotta help Ralph out here real quick. Oh geez, cancel open orders. For some reason, my I still had some open orders on my TPT account. Good thing I didn't. Gordon, bull flag just forming? Oh, bullish FVG. Getting a bit of a pullback here, back to the midnight VWAP. We still have orders above, guys. 30,500, 30,520. Institutions in play here. Wow, what a pump there. Squeeze incoming. Looks like it. Looks like we may have kind of almost got it there. Nice pump from the lows here. Hey, guys. 425 stop. Trump said, I want Israel to be able to protect itself, but I do want Israel to use good judgment. We would help India if it was attacked. Iran's leadership wants to make a deal. I am rich yet again. Nice job, Gordon. Good job. Taking the highs here all the way up to previous day's VWAP. Playing with the +2 standard deviation. Price pulled back there, guys, but CVD did not drop. feel like Bookmap's a little weird. I had to restart it there, so I don't really see what's going on very clearly at the moment. We do have some orders down there at 30,485. Orders up at 550, 555 here, guys. Sitting right on the value area, hot value area low from previous day's price.
Don't know what happened. I set my camera back up and it shut off on its own.
Oh, weird.
I thought you were just ignoring me when I was talking to you.
Gold with a nice pop in the last 10 minutes.
You in a trade right now, Dave?
Yeah, I'm facing a little bit of drawdown here on this pullback. I got along at the up at just at the 500s there, 502, 2 micros.
I'm in a short on YM on the push down through that deviation band. And I'm out.
Nice trade. There you go.
It was okay. 1 micro on YM is not anything to write home to mom about when you're not adding to it. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, excuse me. Gordon's looking at a 449 sweep. You need to just start following Jordan here. Or Gordon.
Yeah.
You said you were in a long, right?
Yeah. It's coming back up a bit here.
Yeah, I was just gonna say NQ looks like it's coming back up off of like VWAP level. Oh, come on. Go back up for Dave.
Yeah, they're not looking good here. Fuck.
Well, FOMC day is proving to be nothing but what I expected. A lot of up and down, no real clear direction. Trump talking, and all of a sudden things go up. He stops talking, pulls back. There isn't a huge amount of volume right now. I think I might be done for the day. What are you looking at, Dave? You still in that long?
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know what to do here. Damn it.
You in with just one micro?
A little bit more than that.
That didn't sound good. A little bit more than that?
Yep. I got 4.
Come down pretty far on you, or
Yeah.
I don't know what your entry point was. I heard a blip. What happened?
A blip?
Yeah, I heard a bing. Was that on your computer, or?
I think so, yeah. Max daily loss on a couple accounts there. Yeah, this turned into a horrible mistake of a day here, unfortunately, for me. I don't know what
You are not alone.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing here.
Close your trade, step back, take a breath.
I did close all the trades,
All right, good.
but I basically hit max loss in 4 accounts. So 4 Lucid accounts, which sucks because those were my best accounts.
All right, but it's only, what was your max daily?
Well, 1,200.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
I thought those were set at like 500.
Yeah, so I lost 1,200, 1,200, 1,200, 1,200 times 4. So 1,200 times 4. That's horrible. Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a great day.
That is so stupid on FOMC. And now it's recovering, of course. But
of course.
fuck.
All right, don't go on tilt. This is something that you can recover from. You had a bad FOMC day. That's it. It was only one bad day. A butterfly bouncing around behind me on the wall here. Yeah, I'm glad you got out of that trade. It's looking like it's going to pull down even further. All right, Dave. I think I'm done for the day. I am up $64 in 10 accounts and down 670 in one account. So not a great day today. But again, we know better than to be trading FOMC day. So we both had red days. But yeah, I think I are done for the day because I can feel myself getting a little bit tilty here. Like I want to take another trade, but I know I shouldn't.
Yeah, probably good to get away from the charts here.
Yep. Go spend your day doing something fun. Go play some pickleball or something.
That is on the agenda later today, but yeah.
Very good. Lone Wolf had an easy green day. All right.
Nice.
At least somebody did. Lone Wolf and Gordon. Jeez. And Angia, of course. Angia was green pre-market and just stayed that way.
Plummeting down here.
Oof.
What happened? There's got to be some news
Don't
coming
know,
up.
but something happened.
Oil's on the rise. Uh-oh. Maybe there's some sort of a... some sort of nonsense with the deal.
Uh-oh. What is going on with oil right now?
Wow, yeah, oil popped really hard there. 77 to 79, almost 80 basically.
Okay. Oil went up to 79.10 and then has come back down to 77.40. What is going on?
Am I looking at the wrong contract? Because I see 79.90 and we're currently at 78.37. I'm on
MCL1, the continuous contract. Scanning the news here, trying to see what the heck happened.
News: Trump threats to ships transition the Strait of Hormuz has lessened following the announcement of the Iran deal. A naval coalition led by the United States told shippers in the notice this week. It was lessened. So why is that bearish?
Yeah, I can't figure out what's going on with oil here.
This is the Trump market, FN trades. This is the Trump market.
Yep. Yeah, I'm done for the day. There is absolutely no reason for me to sit here and
yeah,
and
get
just
sucked
lose
into
money.
losing some more money.
Yeah. So I'm looking at the chart and thinking, oh, is there a trade here? Is there a trade here? But in my head, I know that I don't need to trade today. I don't need to take another trade.
Yeah, I think I'm ready to walk away from the charts here just to protect my account.
Hit your mental reset and protect your accounts.
Yeah.
So no, it is not Trump and war moving. It is Trump that is moving the markets. This is just market manipulation. Like, that's all there is to it. It's just market manipulation. Every time Trump posts something on Truth Social, you can actually see the orders on YM, ES, NQ, and oil. 5 to 15 minutes before he posts anything significant on Truth Social, you can actually see the orders, which isn't great. Markets have never been like this. This is a Trump market. It is absolutely ridiculous and excessively hard to trade.
So there was some message on Financial Juice. The following report did not intend to suggest that Iran's Parliament Speaker Gaff and U.S. Vice President Vance will not convene in Switzerland on Friday. Original post. The original post said Iran and U.S. may signal a war termination MOU at high political level remotely, while initially set for signing a ceremony in Switzerland by senior Iranian and American officials. Sources say a remote signing is now under active consideration.
A remote signing. All right.
Okay, well, yeah, I'm ready to get off here. I don't want to. I need to walk away from the charts for now.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's just close this up.
Pretty shitty losing trade to take there in multiple accounts. So
yeah, we've all had those days. Go do something fun, and we will see everybody tomorrow.
No FN
so
trades.
Other presidents typically don't move markets this much. I haven't traded long enough to know. No president in history has moved markets this much. Yeah, wow. So also being FOMC day, another bit of an issue there, but I've never seen a president move markets like this. It is, I mean, technically it's criminal, but you know, felonies just seem to slide off Teflon down.
Yeah.
And on that note, let's get the heck out of here. Thanks everybody for joining, and I will see you later. Dave, I will see you in the morning.
See you, Nick.
Give me a call if you need to.
Sounds good. Okay, thanks everybody. Appreciate you. FN Trades, Angia, Lone Wolf, Jerry, FN. Oh, I said that already. Greg, Gordon, Czar, Lafta, Blackout News, and Force Fed. Darren Does Things, Twyla, the Sci Fam, and there we go. Did our little shout out. So thanks, guys. Take it easy. Have a safe rest of your day. Don't make the same kind of crappy mistakes that I just made. So yeah. Anyways, love you guys. Talk to you later, and we will be live tomorrow morning for Market Open. So see you guys then. Bye-bye.